EONR stock analysis, Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. So I'm observing Eon Resources stock, and it's actually, you know, 22% up is cool, but it's not like the end of the world there. You know, it's not like it's the best thing ever. It's still inside a bearish range. Now, context, I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands on courses, mentors, and documented everything. And relatively speaking, man, it's just the reality is that I'm only gonna count EONR stock as something bullish if it actually starts breaking above 229. And unless I start seeing breaks above there, there's just no way that I'll move with the bullish idea and the bullish lower. So if I see a double break beneath these lows, then and only then I'll short. Other than that, everything else is pure noise. So that's how it looks like for me. This is by no means financial advice. I will obviously continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.